I've been betrayed, and I bet you have too. That gut-wrenching feeling when someone you trusted stabs you in the back. It hurts, right? But what if I told you that betrayal might be the best thing that ever happened to you? Yeah, you heard me right. Stick with me, because I'm about to flip your world upside down about betrayal. You ready? Let's dive in. You know that moment when you realize you've been betrayed? It's like a punch to the gut that leaves you gasping for air. Your mind races, trying to make sense of what just happened. How could they do this to me? Was everything a lie? The pain is raw, intense, and it feels like it'll never end. But check this out. That pain you're feeling? It's not just hurt. It's your body and mind screaming at you, telling you something important. It's telling you that your trust, your vulnerability, your expectations, they were real. You were genuine. And that, my friend, is something to be proud of. Betrayal. It rips you open. From friends, family, even yourself. But what if I told you it's exactly what you needed? Betrayal isn't the end. It's the beginning. When they walked away, you didn't just lose them. You lost your illusions. And that was freedom. Now I want you to take a deep breath and listen closely. What if this betrayal is actually a gift in disguise? Yeah, I know it sounds crazy, but hear me out. Betrayal is like a spotlight that suddenly illuminates everything around you. It shows you who's really got your back and who's just along for the ride. You see, when someone betrays you, they're not just revealing their true colors, they're giving you a chance to see your own strength. It's like life handed you a pop quiz on resilience, and guess what? You're acing it just by still standing. Pain wakes you up. Betrayal forces you to rebuild, but this time with truth. No masks, no begging. This pain you're feeling, it's not your weakness. It's your power waiting to be unleashed. And trust me, you're about to discover just how powerful you really are. So here's the deal. You've been betrayed, and it sucks. But now you've got two choices. You can let it break you, or you can let it make you. And let me tell you, choosing to rise, that's where the magic happens. You didn't lose them. You found you. And this version of you? Sharper, clearer, ruthless in all the right ways. Betrayal is a powerful catalyst. It closes one door so that countless better ones can open. It's a chance to redefine your path, your relationships, and your entire life on your own terms. Your future is not defined by their actions. It is defined by your response. So this betrayal? It's your ticket to freedom. Freedom to choose who deserves your trust. Freedom to set new boundaries. Freedom to become the person you were always meant to be. And one day, you're going to look back and realize that the person who betrayed you didn't break you. They gave you the push you needed to become unbreakable. Are you ready to embrace this new chapter of your life? So here's my challenge to you. Embrace the lesson. Move forward stronger. Let that betrayal fuel your fire, not extinguish it. Because at the end of the day, the best revenge isn't getting even. It's living well. And trust me, you're about to live your best life yet. Remember, their betrayal wasn't a curse. It was a catalyst. It's the moment you turned inward and discovered your own powerful inner bearing. This isn't just about healing. It's about owning your scars and building something stronger. Step into the fire and rise with truth as your armor. If you're ready to embrace your strength and navigate your new path, hit the like button and subscribe to Inner Bearing for more tools to guide you.